My name is Anthony Fiore. I'm the owner of Capri Cosmetology Learning Centers here in New York. We have two campuses, one in Nanuet, New York, and the other located in Newburgh, New York. Programs that we offer all are taught on a progressive learning system, meaning you don't have to be afraid of coming in knowing nothing about this industry. We will guide you through the different ways in which to hold your scissors or apply a cleanser. Everything that you possibly could need from start to finish is taught to you in a progressive learning system where we start from the very beginning and progressively improve your techniques and skill sets until you graduate our school.